This is Scott Mumma, irrigation designer, and this is the Turf Equipment and Supply video update for January 2019. The New Year's resolution for the Landscape Products Group is bringing you the best training and education in 2019. Numerous Turf Equipment University events are planned in the coming months, including a basic irrigation workshop, electrical troubleshooting, IA certified irrigation technician classes and exams, and Toro Sentinel workshops. More information and registration is available on the Events tab on our website. The Golf Irrigation Group is once again hosting training sessions for golf irrigation technicians. The sessions will focus on irrigation system and product updates, as well as troubleshooting for heads and electrical components. We will host 6 identical sessions on January 22nd in Westchester, the 23rd in Mount Laurel, New Jersey, the 24th in Dagsboro, Delaware, the 29th in Jessup, Maryland, and the 30th in Fairfax, and finally February 12th in Taylor, Pennsylvania. Mark your calendars now and watch our website for registration information. Your profits depend on keeping your equipment running at peak performance. Have you thought about having your Finn bark blower serviced? Don't wait for the spring rush to send in your unit for annual service and airlock check. Our service locations stock all the necessary Finn manufactured parts to repair any machine. Call our service department today to schedule your Finn service. Our winter service promotions are in full swing for all your other commercial equipment needs as well. Have our factory trained and certified technicians service all your Toro equipment this winter so they are ready to go in the spring. We have service facilities conveniently located in both Jessup, Maryland and Westchester, Pennsylvania. Call us today to arrange pickup and delivery of your equipment. The 2019 maintenance parts sale is well underway. This annual sale provides you with all the genuine Toro parts and accessories you need to maintain your Toro equipment and keep it operating at its full potential. Order $3,000 worth of Toro performance parts from now through April 30th and receive your choice of either jackets or hoodies. Cumulative orders of $3,000 receive additional wearables. Call us today to place your order. The commercial equipment team is looking forward to seeing you in a couple weeks at the GIS show in San Diego, California. We are excited to show you some of the new products and innovations the Toro company has planned for 2019. Make sure you stop and see the new Toro Outcross 9060 unit and the Groundsmaster 1200. See you at the trade show floor. And that's the Turf Equipment and Supply Company video update for January 2019. Visit our website at www.turf-equipment.com for all of our upcoming events, specials, and educational resources.